Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Nosana. I'll be showing you how to buy Nosana. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. And once on coinmarketcap.com, you find the page for Nosana. And if you scroll down, you can find its contract address, which is on the Solana network. So simply copy this contract address. Minimize and open up your Phantom wallet, as this is the Solana wallet we're going to be using for this tutorial video. Open up your Phantom wallet, and with your Phantom wallet opened up, your next step or the next step you're going to be taking is to make sure you have some Solana tokens on your wallet. As you can see here, I've got some Solana tokens on my wallet. If you do not have Solana tokens, you could deposit from a centralized exchange or from an external wallet by clicking on the deposit option. So guys, once you've deposited some Solana tokens, how can you get yourself some of the Nosana token? Simply head over to the browser icon at the bottom right. Once there, simply click on jupiter.ag and the site is going to open up. And once it opens up, your wallet will be connected automatically. Otherwise, simply click on connect wallet at the top right corner of the screen. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how we can convert some of our Solana tokens into the Nosana token, as we are going to be using our Solana to cover the gas fees. So make sure you have deposited some Solana in your wallet. Now your next step is where we have from and tow, where we have the tow, select the tow option and simply paste the contract address for the token we just copied. Select Nosana, and now I'm going to be using half of my Solana allocations to simply convert it into the Nosana token. So simply click on swap, and then the transaction becomes pending. And now all you need to do is confirm this transaction and you get some Nosana tokens on your wallet. Swap successful. So guys, if you were to head over to the wallet section and perform a reload, you'd find the Nosana token on your wallet. Here we go. Boom. Nosana. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.